everyone from EasyDMARC technical support team, and today in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to configure SPF and DKIM for SocketLabs. So let's get started. As you see, I'm already in my SocketLabs dashboard. So first of all, I need to navigate to the domain management under the configuration from the left sidebar, and here where we can add our domain. So let's click on add domain and type our domain name here that we want to authenticate it. And once we have added our domain, the system will provide us with the necessary records, the DKIM and SPF record that we need to add them into our DNS zone. So as you see, my domain status is still unverified, so I need to complete those DKIM and SPF configurations. So for DKIM, they provide us with the TXT record that we need to add it into our DNS. So let's copy the host name and navigate into our DNS zone. In my example, it's Cloudflare, so I'm gonna add a new record which will be a TXT record and paste the host name here and copy and paste the value and save the record. So let's get back to our dashboard and verify DKIM. So yeah, that was for DKIM. So let's get through SPF. So for SPF, they provide us with a CNAME record that we need to publish it into our DNS zone, just like we did with DKIM. But one thing I want to mention before going and publishing the record, that SocketLabs, it's a subdomain capable source. So for SPF, we need to activate a custom bounce domain, so the SPF authentication and the alignment can pass the checks. And all this you only just need to publish this CNAME record for that cause. So let's copy the host name, navigate to our DNS zone. It will be a CNAME record, and also copy paste the value, and make sure to turn off the proxy status and save the record. And let's get back and verify the bounce. One important thing to mention, that the DNS record might take some time until it's fully propagated across the internet, so you might need to wait some time for the propagation. And yeah, you are seeing that the DKIM and the SPF configurations are already completed and our domain status is here authenticated. You can get back to the domain management page, and as you see here, my domain is now authenticated. And yeah, that's it for SocketLabs. We have configured both SPF and DKIM, and from now on, your outgoing emails sent through SocketLabs on behalf of your domain, we're gonna start to pass DMARC checks with both SPF and DKIM. So that's it for SocketLabs. If you have encountered any problems during your configuration, or if you need any further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team at support@easydmarc.com, and we're gonna help you through the process. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.